Okay, today we're going to talk about pulleys. We are going to focus on a belt-driven pulley system. So you can see in the picture that there is one belt that goes around two pulley wheels. One is your drive pulley wheel and one is your driven pulley wheel. And you are going to want to watch the video right below that picture to get more information on drive and driven. So I want to direct your attention to the lines that are in red, blue, and purple. Those are really important. So the drive wheel is the wheel to which you are applying an external force. So if I go to the assignment, and let's look at this one, you can see that there is a hand turning a handle. That would be where you are applying force. So the handle is connected to one of the pulley wheels. In our examples with the Legos, every belt that you will see is a yellow rubber band. So if it is not physically touching the yellow rubber band, it is not a pulley wheel. Okay, so you can see the hand touching the handle. The handle is connected to one of the pulley wheels, the drive pulley wheel. The handle is not a pulley wheel. Please don't circle and label that. But it is connected to it. That is how you are applying the force. The other pulley wheel, the one giving you your output force, is the driven pulley wheel. Drive and driven. If you think of it as a car, the drive pulley wheel would be the person driving the car. They are determining where you go, if you go, and what happens. The passenger, the driven pulley wheel, is just along for the ride and has to go where the rest of the car is going. Next thing that is important here in purple. If the drive wheel is smaller than the driven wheel, so you are decreasing the size, right? You're going from, increasing the size. You're going from a smaller drive wheel to a larger driven wheel. So it's getting bigger. You're going to get a slower output because you're going to have to turn the handle to turn your drive wheel a lot of times to get your bigger driven wheel to go around once. All right, mechanical advantage. So this sounds really complicated. Divide the inside diameter of the driven pulley wheel by the inside diameter of the drive pulley wheel. So it sounds really complicated, but if you look at the green box that I've shared with you right here, I'm giving you the dimensions. You don't have to measure anything. So if you see a gray pulley wheel, you are using 22 millimeters as the measurement. If you see a yellow pulley wheel, you will use the measurement 5.8. And every single one is either gray or yellow for every model I am showing you. So then what do you do once you have those numbers? Okay, well, you can see the formula below that, mechanical advantage, right here. Driven pulley diameter divided by drive pulley diameter. Okay. So if you know what your drive and driven are, all you have to do is plug it in. Okay. So is it going to be gray divided by yellow, yellow divided by gray? And then you just plug in those numbers. So yellow divided by gray would be 5.8 divided by 22. Gray divided by yellow would be 22 divided by 5.8. You have to decide what the drive and driven pulley wheels are. Last thing, every model, you must do the following. Tell me which is moving faster, the drive or the driven pulley wheel. You have to calculate the mechanical advantage, and you have to circle and label the drive and driven pulley wheels. You must put this into Notability.